Hello everybody! Today I'm going to tell you about this Phonics CVC word building kit, which is all based on Velcro. First I'll tell you what all are there in the kit. The alphabet card, which has got all the alphabets printed inside it, and there's a Velcro based activity. The child identifies, recognizes the sound and does it on its own. That's the first thing. Second, we have these reading cards of 22 families. So this is A sounds, A ones, O ones. So all these are reading cards for the children to read it happily and conveniently. Now then we have these 22 family, these cards which has got Velcro activity in it. You can use it like kit. Kit. So this is an activity with Velcro wherein the child reads it, understands it and does the activity on his own. So similarly they have for A, they have for A, they have for O and they have it for So all the CVC sounds, the basic ones are covered in this activity kit. Now they have this as well, the CVC word. So basically when I say CVC, C means consonant, V means vowels and C means consonant. So here you can use as per you want. So if you want to do it which is fine, and it is fine, car, all these, whatever you want to do or whatever the child wants to do, the child can do it. Now I'll move to the benefits of these kind of activity kit. Now one, this is a child-led kit, which means the child can choose and do it on their own. Number two, it increases the creativity of the child, and child loves Velcro pasting because there is a sound which comes and it gives an internal pleasure to the child. Number three, the phonic sounds have to be very clear to the child if you want the child to be avid readers. It's very important that these kits are introduced to the child so that they can read well. If the base is strong, the child will be able to stand strong. And these are just the basic one. The advanced are with blends, with diphthongs. There are a lot of rules in phonics, but to start with, it is the simple one. So this is basically for the age group of 3 to 5 years, where the child understands the basic of phonics as well as the phonic families. And going forward, you can do the advanced level. For me, it is a must recommendation for the children because the children would love it and they do it really well. So hope it was useful. Take care. Bye-bye.